Okay, so this is my 8th layout with the August 2017 hip kit. In the background is Maggie Holmes Carousel, and Go Lucky is so I'm just inking the edges of everything using Tim Holtz ink. And this is my older niece, Natalie. She was the baby till Jada was born. Now Jada is the baby. Sorry. And I put this on the only photo mat I have. Oh, no, I don't. The gray, I have a photo mat, which is 5 1/4 by 3 3/4 from Pink Paisley Summer Lights. And then I use tissue paper. And that is a Project Life 4x6 Project Life card in the Project Life add-on kit. And it says this day was, and I'm going to add sweet from American Crafts Stickers. And that's going to be my title. And here's where I'm going to do several tattered angels, as well as my homemade black mist. And here's where I'm gonna, I already attached those down, and then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do this. So I'm just doing a blue color, a green, or a pink color. I do a green color after the pink. And this was, at first, I was like, ooh, I expanded this way out past my pictures. But it don't look too bad. And then I'm going to use my homemade black mist to do the splatters. Oh, I did an orange in here. That's right. And it wasn't spraying, so you see I took the sprayer part off. But I have got it spraying now. I just had to soak it and clean it and da 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 da. And here's my black splatters. Now my photos and the Project Life cards are going to go down. And then the die cuts. That there is going to go there. Is going to be an embellishment cluster on the right. Kind of in the middle. Centered in the middle on the side. Yeah. So today's December 23rd. I mentioned that in a previous video. I'm on Christmas break. And today is my sister's birthday. We went on Christmas break on the 20th, so I've had 3 days off. And I was like, wait a minute, 3 days off, that's it? It feels like longer, it really does. But the first day I had off, I power washed all my cement in my house. So, huh? Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? What are you taking your shirt off for? Oh, okay. Why don't you get in your... Did you take a shower?
Yeah.
How come you got back in those clothes and not in your pajamas? You can't sleep in those shorts.
Why?
'Cause they're jean shorts. You need to get in pajama pants. Or pajama shorts. There's pajama shorts in your pajama drawer. Why don't you go get them? Get comfortable. So all my stickers are Making Homes Carousel, and the puppy stickers are American Craft stickers. And then that pretty much completes the layout. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.